But anyway, I know Uno. Yes, of course, Germany has had its really more than its fair share of philosophers. And as most of them will tell you, the weather is the most important thing in life. That's right. Whether it's sunny or it's raining. Well, it is in England. I'm hearing it picture it's right in the sea. Reflecting my life, there's racing feet, nowhere to go. Nothing I have to do now. It's raining again. I follow the Christmas lights downtown. I'm leaving the flow. People walking all around and around. I hear the sound of rain falling in my ears, washing away the